Clean Plus Chemicals, family owned and operated for over 25 years. Committed to formulating and manufacturing the highest standard of cleaning and hygiene chemicals for the hospitality and healthcare markets. Our vision is to form a relationship built on partnership. Today, we established over 100 nationwide distributors, produces and dispatches over 40 tonnes of cleaning chemicals daily. Export to the Philippines, Vietnam, Fiji and Pacific Islands. Our history. In 1992, Clean Plus Chemicals was founded by Wasim Fahad, a qualified industrial engineer, operating out of a small warehouse located in Roselands, Sydney. In 2009, dreams come true with our 2,500 square metre purpose-built manufacturing facility in Auburn, allowing for optimised manufacturing capabilities, over 1,000 pallets of finished goods, 48 hours turnaround delivery, modern laboratory for quality control and R&D. Corporate social responsibility is at our heart. We have established the Rivers of Life School in Kenya, which currently teaches and houses over 210 orphan children. Clean Plus Chemicals Green Initiatives. In 2015, we reduced our carbon footprint by using solar energy, biodegradable and sustainable raw materials, and recyclable packaging. 25 years today and still going strong.